मुट्ठी में कुछ सपने लेकर भरकर जेबों में आशाएं, दिल में है अरमान यही कुछ कर जाएं, कुछ कर जाएं। सूरज सा तेज नहीं मुझ में दीपक सा जलता देखोगे, अपनी हद रोशन करने से तुम मुझको कब तक रोकोगे, अपनी हद रोशन करने से तुम मुझको कब तक रोकोगे। ये हरिवंश राय बच्चन सर के द्वारा लिखी हुई कुछ पंक्तियां हैं जो बहुत ही ज्यादा मोटिवेट करते हैं मुझे। दिस आई मीन लाइन्स मोटिवेट मी अ लॉट ऑलवेज व्हेन आई एम फीलिंग समथिंग bad or worse, I am feeling something negative, so these lines are very motivational for me. I have read these lines for you guys. If you are feeling something demotivated, if you are unable to stay motivated all the time, so please read these lines always when you are feeling low. Okay, so in this video I am going to tell you guys how to stay motivated all the time when you are learning English language. You may be feeling very low after sometimes every day, maybe every single day you are feeling very low in this journey because you are unable to speak very good English and you are afraid of speaking English. इस वीडियो में आपको बताने वाला हूँ कि how can you stay motivated all the times. So watch this video till the end guys, and please मैं ऐसे ही नहीं लाता हूँ यार वीडियोस, मैं अपने जो खुद ने फॉलो की है उन टिप्स के सहारे आप लोगों को बताता हूँ. एंड यू गाइज आर माई ब्रदर एंड सिस्टर्स, सो प्लीज वॉच दिस वीडियो टिल द एंड. आप डेफिनेटली यू विल बी एबल टू फाइंड समथिंग रिलेवेंट बाई वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो. तो अंत तक जरूर देखें क्योंकि इस वीडियो में आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट ओनली मोटिवेशन बट ऑल्सो I have to give you some tips, some genuine tips that you guys have to follow. If you will follow those tips that I am going to give in this video, you will definitely be able to stay motivated all the times. So without wasting my time, let's get started. So before diving into the video, I am going to give a little bit introduction of myself because I can give you some kind of motivation by my journey. Guys, I also come from a very humble background, village areas and Hindi medium background. I have completed all my education so far in Hindi medium background, and I am able to speak, if I can speak very well English, so you guys can also do it. It is not a rocket science, it is just it is like a piece of cake. Everybody can learn this language. इंग्लिश बोलने को हवा बना रखा है लोगों ने, हवा थोड़ा ना है, ये बहुत ही आसान है, ये जस्ट लैंग्वेज है यार. इसको कुछ टिप्स फॉलो करिए लगातार और आप लर्न करेंगे. तो चलो स्टार्ट करते हैं. सो लेट्स डाइव इनटू द वीडियो. सो टिप नंबर 1, सेट क्लियर गोल्स. Why do you have to set clear goals? Because having a clear goal gives you a direction to work upon something. So जैसे कि फॉर एन एग्जाम्पल you guys have to set some goals like you guys have to speak very good English in just 6 months, or I have to understand the English movies without the subtitles. So these kinds of goals you guys have to set so that there will be a timeline in that within that timeline you guys have to achieve that goal. If you have set the goal, you will have clear direction to work upon something. So this technique works a lot. Guys, break your goal into smaller milestones. जैसे कि if today I have to speak at least 2 minutes in front of the camera. Today I have to learn 5 daily usage sentences. Today I have to learn 5 English phrases. So these little goals will give you a kind of happiness to work upon something for a long time. Okay, तो इस तरीके से आपको वर्क करना है. And guys, number two is really relevant for everything what you guys have to achieve in your life. That is, find your why. Why do you want to speak good English? Why do you want to be fluent in this language? So clear your why. Please question yourself. Why am I learning this language? Why do I want to speak good English? So if you will think about this, if you will think about this question, तो आपको realize होगा कि this is really really relevant for me to learn this language, and you will be focused. You will be very very focused after this questions if you have analyzed this question in a very specific manner. You have to note down the negatives and positives of learning English language. There are no negatives. There are only positive of learning this language. So please note down and find your why. If your why is strong, so there is no one who can stop you. There is no one who can stop you to achieve anything in this life. ओके यदि आपका वाई बहुत ही ज्यादा स्ट्रॉन्ग है तो आप कुछ भी अचीव कर सकते हो. दिस इज जस्ट अबाउट अ लैंग्वेज. ओके नंबर 3, मेक योर लर्निंग फन. अपनी जो लर्निंग जर्नी है ना उसे फन बनाओ ना यार. इफ यू वांट टू स्पीक वेरी गुड इंग्लिश, सो यू जस्ट हैव टू वॉच समथिंग ऑन यूट्यूब विच इज रियली एंजॉयबल फॉर यू अकॉर्डिंग टू योर पर्सपेक्टिव, वेर यू feel something laughing or something very enthusiastic or very enjoyable. So you just have to watch those videos. If you are feeling something good while watching vlogs, English vlogs, so you just have to watch English vlogs and you will learn English language with that watching. You can watch English movies with the subtitles and you can enjoy some natural places. You can watch discoveries. There are many ways to learn English language, but you don't have to feel any kinds of laziness. You just have to make your learning journey very enjoyable, so that you are not feeling low. If you are not feeling boring in your journey, I can assure you, you will learn this language very soon. आप अपनी जर्नी को बोरिंग मत करिए. You don't have to make it boring. You just have to focus and make it enjoyable, so that you are able to focus for a long time, because this may take a long time, maybe 6 months. So you will have to be consistent. Okay? And guys, number 4, track your progress. How are you learning? You are actually learning or not? You are giving enough time for learning this language, so you just have to track your progress, how much you have learned. So for this, what do you have to do? You just have to record yourself. You just have to speak in front of the mirror. If you are able to speak endlessly, if you are able to speak without any hesitation, if you are able to speak without translating in English language, so you are learning something every day. Okay, so you just have to practice in front of the mirror. You just have to record yourself in your mobile phone camera, and after that you just have to understand where am I making faults. If you are making faults, you just have to make over those faults. So this is how you just have to record yourself, and you just have to make over the faults. You just have to track your progress, if you are actually progressing or not. Number 5 is surround yourself in this language. If you are able to surround yourself all the time in this language, so this is going to be very easy to learn this language. So what do you have to do? You just have to, if you have a room, if you have a separate room, so you just have to stick the papers in which you have to write that I have to learn this language in this phase, in this time. I have to learn this language in just 6 months. I have to be fluent, speak English, spoken English. इस तरीके के आपको टाइटल्स लिखकर आपको अपने जो रूम की वॉल है ना उस पर चिपका देना है. And you just have to surround those friends who are very supportive, so that they will be supportive while speaking, and you guys have to speak in front of those guys who are very supportive. And this is how you will be able to surround yourself in this language. If you are able to surround yourself in this language, so the half work is done. Believe me guys, this is what it is very tough to surround yourself in this language. If you are able to do it, so your half work is done, and you will be able to speak very well English in just 1 month, if you are able to surround yourself in this language. Okay, And number 6, and guys, number 6 and final one, what very important, most important, I will say, that is consistency. Stay consistent. If you are able to consistent in this journey, you are going to learn this language. Consistency is the key of success. If we want to achieve something new, if we want to achieve something big in our life, the most important aspect of that achievement will be the consistency. Consistency is the key. If you are able to be consistent in your journey, in your anything, if you are able to be consistent in a particular thing for a long time, it is going to give you the very good results. So in this video, I wanted to talk about how to be consistent, how to stay motivated all the times, and I have given you very relevant perspectives in this video, very relevant. I did not just tell about the motivation, but I have told you the steps, the genuine tips that you guys have to follow. By following these steps, you will be able to speak. You will be able to stay motivated all the times, guys. So if you like this video, please like kar dena and subscribe to my channel and share to all your friends who are very close to you, so that they can also watch my videos and learn something from me. Okay, don't try to share those friends who are not close to you. Okay, have a good day. We will meet in another particular and specific video. Okay, bye.